Hello friends, this is Lego Mindstorm, a robot which I bought for my son Anish during Christmas, and this is built by my son. And then later I was teaching him how to program this robot. Then we thought, okay, let's try controlling this robot through iPhone. Even though NXT has the capability of Bluetooth, but iPhone doesn't let you pair with any devices unless and until you have some kind of agreement. Then we thought, okay, let's use the color sensor of the robot to control the direction of the robot. So we tried this first, but unfortunately this light sensor doesn't have the ability to detect the colors displayed by iPhone screen or LCD screen in general, but it can detect these colors over here directly from the objects. So then I came up with an idea that let's use the light sensor. So we got the light sensor, then I started performing calibration on that particular light sensor. Then when I realized it's going to be a tough deal because the width of intensity that it can detect provided by this particular sensor was very limited. So this is a matrix that I came up with after performing extensive study of that particular sensor under different light conditions basically. And I have here like stop, left, up, down and right, and these are the digital values provided by robot sensor. And if you look here, there's a delta between different intensity of light detected by sensor is very limited. So if and then it's going to be very difficult to get the precise detection of light intensity and provide the appropriate directional command to the robot through light sensing. So once I realized, then I had to come up with another structure or element that it should take care of the ambient light intensity, ambient noise of light. So this is the diagram of optical coupler, where this is your iPhone and this is the optical seal to avoid any ambient noise, light noise, and this is a optical dome. Basically it's actually a holder of iPhone, and that's a light sensor. So they all come together to provide the perfect isolation to the sensor from the external ambience. And let's see how it works actually. And this is iPhone. I have got two iPhones, so I have to pair. This is here, and that's the iPhone app that I wrote. And this is going to be another iPhone. And here, that's NXT. Now we're going to pair them. Okay, accept the connection. Once this is how it works. Now this iPhone is going to go on to the robot, and this iPhone I'm going to use it to control. So whenever I touch these directional buttons, it's going to send command signals, right, left, up, down and stop to the next other iPhone through Bluetooth, and it's going to display a color palette with different light intensity. So these lights intensity will be detected by this guy over here, light sensor, and that's going to command these motors. It's actually 2 degree of freedom robot. Let's mount this guy on the robot. This is it's gonna sit over here, and this is the first. Okay, let's wrong way. It's gonna put here, and this is the light insulator to avoid. I'm going to put this dome, make sure it sits perfectly inside. Then I'm going to put this spacer so that it gets nice snuggy fit. So now it's ready to take command. Now I'm going to switch on the robot. Then I'm going to pick up the scavenger, that's iPhone receiver program. So I'm going to put it and say run. Now it's ready. Now using this iPhone, I'm going to control the robot. So this is forward, stop, right, stop, forward, stop, backward, stop, right, stop. Okay, let's do this on the ground here. You can see I can control this. Forward, backward, left. I'm going to take this robot towards the window. Where the light intensity is the brightest. Let's see that optical isolation works properly or not. So seems to be working fine, even though it is at a very bright side of the room. Keep moving. That's it. That's how it works. And this is my drawing board. This is where I create my plans for my model planes. This is the one I'm right now working on. Still in progress. And this whole thing is built by me, only custom built drawing board.